Hi Guy, how are you?
Test one, two, three, four. Test, test, test.
Yes. Yes, you can see me, you just you can hear me, you just can't see me. I'm keeping my
Test one, two, three, four. Test, test, test.
Yes, can you hear me, Guy?
Yep, hear you just fine.
Great.
Is Bayu coming here as well? Bayu's coming here, and Bob will be working from his room. Hi, Chris.
Hi, Father, how are you?
Well, thank you. Are you back in the US now?
I am, yes, and this is the my between I didn't even really bother to unpack.
So this is one possible background. I'm thinking this is probably good enough. Right.
Is there a moment where it gets opened up to everyone? Or do people just kind of dribble in?
I'm assuming that, yeah, Chris, you're the one who set this up. Are people dribbling in, or do we open it up to everybody at once?
I think we open it up, but let me check on that. It's been
Okay,
a while since I've done this.
So I don't like walk into the frame in the middle
right.
of.
Are you hearing the air conditioning in the background or not?
No, I'm not.
Okay, good.
Yeah, because we also.
We're fine.
Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to hang up here and do a practice session so that we can talk without and then we'll go live to the
Okay.
world. So I'm going to hang up here just a moment.
Is that going to kick me off?
Yep. So just a
Okay.
moment. You'll come right back on in a second.
All right.